Your vehicle's air conditioning does more than keep you cool. It dehumidifies, clears your windows, and improves air quality all year round. Over time, it loses refrigerant and efficiency and can harbour bacteria and mold. That's where MB Motors comes in. Our aircon service checks for leaks, tests performance, and fully recharges your system with the correct gas. We also clean the evaporator and ducts to remove odours and bacteria, leaving your car fresher, healthier, and cooler. Don't wait until your system fails on a hot day or starts smelling musty. Regular servicing keeps it efficient and extends its life. Whether your aircon's weak, noisy, or just due for maintenance, we've got the tools and expertise to fix it fast. Choose MB Motors for reliable, professional aircon servicing, because comfort, safety, and clean air matter more than you think.